Welcome to Tweet of the Week. I am joined today by Heather Clabaugh, who is our budget officer. Heather, thank you for joining me. And you've probably been seeing a lot of tweets coming out because it is budget season. And Heather led a budget lunch and learn for staff. We have a community meeting where we gather input on the budget. So Heather, talk a little bit about Twitter and social media and how people can engage with us as we try to put the budget together.
So we have quite a few options for people to get involved in our budget process. And the budget process lasts through the middle of February when we submit it to the county executive. So there's plenty of time to let us know what your priorities are. One of the easiest ways to get in touch with us is through our email address, which is fcps.budget@fcps.org. And that's the best way because it comes directly to the budget office, and then we can distribute it as necessary to other staff members. We also have been using the FCPS Maryland Twitter to get feedback as well. And our website is a wealth of information of everything that's happening in budget. So as soon as we're ready to release the superintendent's recommended budget, that's one of the first places it's available.
So if someone goes to the FCPS homepage, how would they then connect over to the budget website?
At the very top button on the left-hand side, it's right under there. It's under, I believe it's Our Story.
Okay.
And it's the very first thing. It says Our Budget. And right now, the only thing available on that is our calendar that shows us the entire year of how the budget really becomes into action throughout the year.
And I think you made a good point that this process goes until the middle of February. So right now, we're basically saying to folks, here's what we have, here's the budget and typically where the money goes, what are ideas or suggestions or priorities.
Absolutely.
And that will inform superintendent and staff as we put together the superintendent's recommended budget, which comes out that first week in January.
January the 7th.
And then the feedback on what do you like in that, what do you want to see added, and particularly as the board then begins to discuss and make some decisions about the budget. So lots of tweets, lots of opportunities for folks to take a look at the web page, the budget web page, but also say that email address again because it's an important one.
fcps.budget@fcps.org.
And so people might think, yeah, they really look at all of these.
Actually, we do, and we try to respond in a timely fashion to people who take the opportunity to email us. It's very important because at the end of the day, it is your money. It's the constituents of Frederick County's money, and we want to ensure that we're spending them and meeting the priorities that our constituents have set for us.
And I know that those comments are then shared with our Board of Education.
Absolutely.
So that they're aware. But the one other neat thing that I love that the Budget Office does is any question that gets asked, and board members will ask a lot of questions as we go through the budget cycle. You will post the question and the answer. So again, that webpage becomes a great way to stay connected and stay informed. And we hope you will do that. And if you get really excited about the budget, send some tweets because we'd love to feature you on Tweet of the Week as well. Heather, thanks so much for joining me, and thanks for all you do to help make this budget process a pretty transparent and easy one for staff and the community. I hope you will join us next time on Tweet of the Week.